Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning! Welcome to another day in my life, but today is not an ordinary day. Today is a special day. Today is my birthday. I love birthdays. I don't like getting older, but I like birthdays. I can cry tomorrow, right? So yeah, today is Friday. It's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. Did I tell you it's my birthday? The day started pretty the same. I went to the gym early. I came back. I recorded the yoga flow. If you're new here, I post a new yoga flow every day here on the channel. At least I try. If my dog allows me, she's sleeping right now, so today she decided she would let me to record the flow. So yeah, if you like healthy vlogs, if you like to do yoga with me every day in the morning, I think it would be a good idea to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, my plans for today is to enjoy my birthday. I know by the end of the day we are going to a restaurant. We have reservations for dinner, but during the day I'm thinking about spending my birthday doing something I like. What I usually do, because my husband has to work and he cannot go with me to enjoy my birthday with me, I usually do something by myself, something that I love. I like to go to places here in Toronto that I like. So yeah, maybe I'm going to do that. And this is the time when I would say, but first coffee, but I don't have coffee. Actually I have, but my husband is coming back from the gym and he's gonna bring coffee to me because, you know, it's my birthday if you don't know. And yeah, let's start my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. Hubby brought me a cup of coffee, which was a delightful treat for my birthday. This simple act of love really brightened my morning. Then came the moment of surprises. My husband presented me with a stunning handbag. It was the one I had admired previously. Receiving it as a gift made it even more special. It's a reminder that sometimes the things we love can find their way back to us in the most beautiful ways. Since it was my birthday, I took a break from work. This meant hubby was in charge of lunch. And he did a great job by simply heating up the delicious leftovers from our dinner the night before. There is something comforting about enjoying a familiar meal, especially when it's shared with someone we love. My day was filled with activities that bring me joy and relaxation. I spent quality time with my dog, who is always a source of unconditional love and happiness. I also indulged in some reading, enjoying the simple pleasure of getting lost in a book. Throughout the day, I sipped on tea, which is not only soothing, but also a great way to stay hydrated and healthy. In between, I continued with my passion for creating content. More editing was on my list, a task that I find both challenging and rewarding. It's in these moments of focused work that I find a deep sense of fulfillment. As the evening approached, I retouched my makeup, adding a bit more to get ready for my birthday celebration. To celebrate, we dined at Lee. Their philosophy of combining classical French cooking with Southeast Asian spices aligns well with my belief in enjoying diverse, flavorful foods as part of a balanced diet. We started with their signature Singapore-style slaw, with 24 ingredients and a salted plum dressing, enhanced with tuna sashimi, a delightful fusion of flavors. For my main course, I chose the diverse scallop and chorizo, served with lobster bisque, Provençal hash, and red pepper and tomatillo relish. Hubby went for another chef's special, the Lucky Shrimp Shrink Fun, featuring courgette and scallion pesto in a superior soya broth. As I shared dessert with my hubby, I realized that life is like our meal, full of different flavors and surprises. It's not just about eating healthy or working out, but also about enjoying these happy moments. My birthday was a perfect reminder of how special life is. It's about enjoying the small things, a good book, a cup of tea, and meals with loved ones. Birthdays like this show me how important it is to enjoy every moment. Here's to a year of living happily and healthily. Let's make every day count and keep smiling. Happy birthday to me, and cheers to many more filled with love and fun. Namaste.